ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नमो सद्गुरु तुकया ज्ञानदीपा नमो सद्गुरु सच्चिदानन्दरूपा नमो सद्गुरु भक्त कल्याणमूर्ति नमो सद्गुरु भास्करा पूर्णकीर्ति सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। Ramakrishna Hari. Today is the 22nd day of our Chintanam. Early morning I thought we should revel in the thoughts of Jagadguru Tukaram Maharaj. So today in the early morning with beautiful verse we'll sing. आता धर्मा धर्मी काही उचित आता धर्मा धर्मी काही उचित माझे विचारावे हित माझे विचारावे हित तुझ मिठाऊ का पतित तुझ मिठाऊ का पतित शरणागत परिझालो शरणागत परिझालो येथे राया रंका एकी सरी येथे राया रंका एक सरी. Ata means now. When I have understood this karma is very powerful, I cannot transgress this karma or I cannot get rid of this karma bandhana. Having understood that, ata dharma dharmi, dharma means punya, adharma means papa. I don't know how this papa punya works. What are the results of this papa punya? This I don't know. If you do sometimes punya and your intention is not good, you will commit a sin. If you are doing a sin but your intention is good, then it will be punya. This papa punya is very difficult to figure out. Bhagavan Krishna says, Gahana karmano gatihi. The gati, the results of these karmas, they are different. Very difficult to trace what are the results. That is why Tukaram Maharaj is saying, O Lord, you are Lord, and God knows the all karma phalas of all jiva in every cycle. Whatever is happening, God knows that, because He is Sarvajna, Sarvam Janati. It is Sarvajna. He knows everything. What karma should go to whom and when, what, when and where, God knows everything. That is why Upadesha Sara, our Mahatma Ji says, Bhagwan Raman Maharshi Ji, Karturajnaya prapyate phalam. That karta, karma phala data. Karta means creator of this whole world. The one who creates, he knows how that everything is. pot makers knows how to create a pot. Same way, this Jagat Karta knows how to dispel or disperse the karma phala to each individual, and he knows what is punya, what is papa. Bhagwan says, Tukaram Maharaj says, Ata. Having understood to trace this karma phala of papa punya is very difficult. Now, Ata means now. Dharma dharmi kahi uchita. What is the right punya? You tell me. Then I will do that. Ata dharma dharmi kahi uchita. Uchita means best. What is the best punya? You tell me. माझे विचारावे हित. And you tell me what is my ultimate well-being. Where is my ultimate well-being lying? You tell me that. माझे विचारावे हित. Hita means well-being. You know, we don't know where our well-being lies. That is why Jnaneshwar Maharaj says, only Shruti knows what is our ultimate good, ultimate well-being. Jnaneshwar Maharaj says that Shruti paroti nahi mauli jaga. Ahita paso nikaditi, hita deo nivadaviti. Nahi Shruti paroti mauli jaga. Jnaneshwar Maharaj says, Ahita pasuni kadati. Where I will ruin myself, from there Shruti will take me out. Hita devuni vadaviti. And Shruti will enhance my life or evolve me by giving hita. And other than Shruti, there is no mother in this whole world. That is why Majhe vicharave hita. God knows our ultimate well-being, or Santa knows, or Vedas. They know our ultimate well-being. And Tukaram Maharaj saying, Tuzami thauka patita. You know, patita means not papi, okay? We say papi, papi, it is one meaning. But patita means one who has fallen into birth and death cycle. If you take this meaning, etymological meaning, then everybody is patita. Patita means not only papi. This is etymological meaning here. Tuzami thauka patita. Oh God, you know I am fallen into this mundane existence, birth and death cycle. Now you give me my ultimate well-being and you tell me what is best punya to do. Sharanagata parizhalo. Why you should tell me? Because I have surrendered myself to you. That is why you tell me. First we should do some sadhana and then we should ask questions. Here we can see that Sharanagata, I have surrendered and then I have asked the question. Sharanagata parizhalo. If you see Bhagavad Gita, then Bhagavan says pariprashnena sevaya. You go to teacher, tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. You go to teacher, you bow down first. Then you do seva and then you ask question. This is the duly approach to a teacher. But Jnaneshwar Maharaj say no, don't go and prostrate directly. First you go there and do seva. Then you prostrate and then you ask a question. Nowadays modern people are how? I have got a question. First they will start with question and they have their own answers. They will not listen to a teacher. This is so-called intelligent people. But you see, I have done something. Sharanagata pari. Pari means on the other hand, or and I have surrendered myself to you. Sharanagata parizahalo. And you know I am fallen into this samsara. You give me my ultimate well-being. Kalyana. Next. Ye theraya ranka ek sari. Ye theraya ranka ek sari. Nahi bhinna bhinna tumache gani. Nahi bhinna bhinna tumache gani. Pavalo paya bhala tya pari. Pavalo paya bhala tya pari. Mag baheri nagalave. Mag baheri nagalave. येथे राया रंकाए केसरी, येथे राया रंकाए केसरी. Generally, I don't take name in my discourse, but I would love to say, right now Kamalji is there from Argentina, and he is a devotee of Lord Vithala. In Argentina, there are people in Maharashtra who says Lord Vithala is not God, and he is from Argentina, from very pious family. He is online. Thank you for being here. Okay. Tukaram Maharaj says, Yethe Raya Ranka Eka Sari. In your sight, in your vision, Raya means a king and Ranka means a beggar. Oh God, in your sight or in your vision, there is no king and there is no beggar. When it comes to give a result, there is no king and beggar. Now how he is persuading God, how he is changing the mind of God. Yes, we can influence God's mind. This is subtle chintanam. Like how this gross world we can influence. In this big gross world, we are just one entity, but we can make changes. We can build buildings, trees, we can cut. What else we can do? We can cut tree. We will not plant any tree. We can cut that. We can make roads. So what we are doing? We are changing gross world. As gross body is changing gross world, same way a subtle body, subtle mind can influence the total mind. Here it is said, Raya Ranka Ekasari. In your vision, king and beggar both are same. Because he already said, I am a beggar. I have fallen in this samsara. Now he is justifying that. In your vision, all are same. God asked Tukaram Maharaj, where did you see that? Now Tukaram Maharaj says, you only said in Gita, Samoham sarva bhuteshu name dveshosti na priyah. Samoham, all are equal for me. On this there are so many questions, I will not take up now. Krishna killed Rakshasa and protected, or Kauravas and protected Pandavas. So where is Sama here? Sama here means when it comes to give result. When Krishna killed all Krishna killed all Rakshasa, he gave moksha, and to Pandavas also he gave moksha. So there is no partiality in God's personality. Okay. Samoham sarva bhuteshu. In all beings I am equal. I have vision of equanimity towards all. And Shankaracharya ji gives example here of fire. Fire is there. If you go close to that fire, fire will give you heat and fire will give you light without partiality. If a king goes to fire, he will feel heat. If a beggar goes to fire, he will feel heat. But if you are standing away from fire and you are telling that fire is impartial, that is different. You come to God, then God will treat you equally. Whether you are bhakta or abhakta, he will treat you equally. Tukaram Maharaj is persuading God, king and beggar same for you. Nahi bhinna bhinna tumcha ghari. In your house, in you, there is no bhinna abhinna bhava. Bheda bhava is not there. If God has bheda bhava, bheda drushti, we will not call that God as God. This also we understand. If God has partiality or bheda buddhi, difference of opinion, difference of vision, then we will not call that God as God. Tukaram Maharaj says, Nahi bhinna bhinna tumcha ghari. There is no differences in your eyes. Pavalo paya bhalatya pari. Somehow I came near to your feet. Now you don't. Maga bahiri na ghalave. Now don't say go out from here. Now don't shift your attention from me to somewhere else. How bhava is there? Somehow I got you, O Lord. Somehow I ended up in your feet. Now don't keep me away or throw me away from you, O Lord, because in your sight all are equal. Now you should equally treat me. How you treat to other Santa Mahatma like Gnaneshwar Maharaj, how you treated? Equally you treat me, whether I am a Mahatma or not, but you have to equally treat me. And now Tukaram Maharaj says, this is your tradition, not first time this is happening. You should keep your tradition. How he is talking with God. ऐसे हे चालत आले मागे, ऐसे हे चालत आले मागे, नाही मी बोलत वाहुगे, नाही मी बोलत वाहुगे, आपुलिया पडिल्या प्रसंगे, आपुलिया पडिल्या प्रसंगे, कीर्ती है जगे वाखानीती, कीर्ती है जगे वाखानी जेती, येथे राया रंका एकी परी, येथे राया रंका एकी सरी. You should give refuge in your feet. That is your tradition. We all should, preserve, protect our tradition. Our tradition is what? White clothes. I will not insist on that. I know now practically everything has changed, but somewhere, in some point, we have to keep our tradition. That is why in schools and colleges now tradition days. Actually this, sorry Kamalji, this is extra, whatever east is there, west, that is our not tradition. Our tradition is sublimate and pious. There are no words for our tradition. But see, Tukaram Maharaj is saying, you should protect me, you should give shelter to me. ऐसी हे चालत आले मागे. Mage means from time immemorial, from yugas to yuga, these have been a tradition that whenever person surrenders to you, you should forgive his all doshas and you should give liberation to him. This is all changing mind is going on. ऐसे हे चालत आले मागे, नाही मी बोलत वावगे. And I am not telling something new to you, O Bhagwan. As means when he was telling, Bhagwan would be wondering what he is telling like this. Tell. And then Tukaram Maharaj says, I am not telling you something new. I am na bole vaoge, and this is not futile also. I am talking substance, not substanceless thing. Nahi mi bolat vaoge. Vaoge means useless things and futile things. I am talking up to or right to the point, dot to the point. Apulia padilya prasangi, because today I am in that situation. I don't know what is papa punya, I don't know what is my ultimate good. It is prasanga on me. I am in that situation now. That is why I am again and again requesting you. And your name and fame that you protect everybody is renowned. Whole world knows your kirti. Kirti hai jage vakhani jiti. Means whole world, they know what is your, how people understand God, what is your status. God means He will forgive all, He will give liberation to all, He will do good with all. This is your kirti, O Lord. And how come you are not giving refuge me in your heart or in your feet? You should surrender, you should accept my submission. This is how he is persuading God. Now Tukaram Maharaj says, so far I was carrying burden on my head, now that burden I will give to you. Okay, and I will be relaxed. Paramartha means what? Relaxation. Prapancha means what? Carrying burden on ourselves. Now you decide whether you have to carry load from birth to death and to next body, or you have to give it to him. Give it to him means he will tell how to get rid of or really get relief from that burden. घालोनिया माथा बैसलो भार, घालोनिया माथा बैसलो भार, सांडिला लौकिक व्यवहार, सांडिला लौकिक व्यवहार, आधी हे विचारिली थार, आधी हे विचारिली थार, अविनाश पर पद ऐसे, अविनाश पर पद ऐसे, ए तेरा या रंगा केसरी, ए तेरा या रंगा केसरी. Tukaram Maharaj says, Prapancha is laukik, Vyavahara is laukik, and I have given up that. घालोनी माथा बैसलो भार, घालोनी भार बैसलो, घालोनी माथा भार बैसलो. Whatever burden I was carrying in my head, now that burden, tension, problematic thoughts I have given to you. Okay, I have surrendered myself, that bhar, burden which I have been carrying, that I have given to you. And now baisalo, now I am relaxed. Why do we need God and all in our life? Without God we are more distressed. If God is there, that inner strength is there, God is looking after me, God is with me. Otherwise in Vyavahara, nobody is with us sometime. Those people who love them, they are against, then we are shattered actually. That God is, eternal support. From Him you can derive strength anytime, anywhere, in any critical situation. That is why we need support which will never go away. Okay. Ghaloni Matha, I have given whatever problems I had, I have given to you. Sandila Laukika Vyavahara. And earlier I was bothered who will say what a person will tell to me if I do spirituality. This everything I have given up. Now I don't bother by people. I do whatever is right. I don't go by public opinion. What is our situation? Public opinion. If somebody takes sannyasa, public will say what's wrong with you. So I am not going with what is good. I am going with what is public, what public is saying. Tukaram Maharaj says, Sandila, I have given up all Laukik things now. Laukik rule and their people's rule I don't follow now. When I can give up this whole samsara, he is saying, Adi he vicharili thar. Adi means before, prior to giving up this samsara, I have thought over it. Thought, thinking means viveka, and giving up means vairagya. Vairagya should be there always out of viveka. Giving up should not be there out of tantrum. I am fed up of this. Bhagavan says in Bhagavad Gita, it is Rajasik Tyaga. Though it is Tyaga, but it is Rajasik Tyaga. Tyaga should be Sattvic. And when it can be Sattvic, having enough you thought over that, then you give up that thing. Tukaram Maharaj says, I have thought over it, and then I am giving up it, giving this samsara. And where I am going now? Avinasha para pada aise. Now I am working for that indestructible state. Avinasha. Nasha means destruction. Avi means no nasha. That state, para means it is a highest pada. Pada means a position. That is the highest position which I can achieve. Okay, we want CEO, OEO and like that. But highest pada is what? As far as Upasana is concerned, Brahmadev is the highest pada. As far as Jnanam is concerned, Brahma Swarupa, that being one with God or understanding I am that, this is the highest pada, and that is called Avinasha. Having reached there or having attain that padam, no fall from that padam. If you become employee, manager for some year, one day they will say now you are 60, go back. Paramatma will say now you are 60, embrace me. He will not say now you are old, go back. When you grow more and more in Paramartha, when you become old in Paramartha, your value increases. When you become old in Samsara, people say go, your value decreases. That is why I want Paramartha where I get invaluable value. That is why this is required. Otherwise, we also want everything like you. But this make more sense when it comes to my sukham, when it comes to well-being of others, rather than doing samsara. Okay, avinasha parapada I say. Now I will work for that avinasha pada. Next, now 2 stanza only. Now Tukaram Maharaj is saying, what is the secret on this path? What I should have? What is the prerequisite to start my journey? Beautiful. एथे एक वर्म पाहिजे धीर, एथे एक वर्म पाहिजे धीर, परिम्या लेखिले असार, परिम्या लेखिले असार, देह हा नाशिवंत जानार, देह हा नाशिवंत जानार, धरिले सार नाम तुझे, धरिले सार नाम तुझे, हे तेरा या रंका एक सरी, एथे राया रंका एक सरी. To walk on this path, what is the prerequisite? If you want moksha, eternal happiness, what is prerequisite? You should be dheera. Whole Kathopanishad is reverberating with this one word, dheera, dheera, dheera. And Bhagavan also in Bhagavad Gita says, यम हि नव्यतयन्ते ते पुरुषम पुरुषर्षभ. That person who is not shaken by any kind of sorrows coming, small sorrows coming in our life, if that is not afraid, then so amrutatvaya kalpate. That dheera person, yam hi navyathayante te purusham purusharshava sama dukkha sukham Dhiram. That Dhiram is, we should highlight, 2nd chapter 14-15 shloka maybe. Samadukha sukham dhiram somrutatvaya kalpate. That person is fit for immortality. Tukaram Maharaj is saying, ethe ek varma. What is the secret of spirituality, bhakti, anything? Dhira. We need steadfastness in this path. I should be firm, whatever resolve I have. World will be every now and then coming and shaking your ideas. I also experience every day. Somebody will come, what is there in this bhajan and kirtanam? You can do with other things also. You do that and this. Some people, intelligent people, they will say, we should balance our life. Balance means what? 16 hours you work and 1 hour you go to temple. This is their balance. 24 means 12, 12. This is balance. We should understand mathematics. But anyway, whoever has whatever prarabdha, he will go according to that. I have this, I have no worry. Okay. Eka varma pahije. One secret is that dhira. I should be bold enough to stand on this path. Parimya lekhile asara. And what is not good, what is not asara, that I should reject. Parimya lekhile. Lekhile means I have understood, I have recognized what is asara. Asara means there is no essence in that. There is no point in pursuing that, is called asara. And what is asara? He is telling, asara means actually mithya. And we all know, whole world know, Brahma Satyam, Jagan Mithya. But Tukaram Maharaj says, when we say Jagat is mithya, means what? Jagat mithya means first thought should be Deha ha nashivanta janar. Jagat mithya means first you have to falsify your body. From there everything starts. If I say, okay, this whole world is mithya, doesn't make any difference. If I say you are mithya, then you say, stop, you can't say I am mithya. Other than me, whole world is mithya. If I say house is mithya, yeah, it is mithya, acceptable. But if I say you are mithya, then you will say you are mithya and not I am mithya. So this mithyatva should start from Deha. Deha ha nashivanta janar. See how beautiful hetu is given. Janar means which has come, it will go. That thing which has arrival, it will have departure. And arrival, departure is mithyatva. And that doesn't come, doesn't go, that is satyam. Beautiful lakshanam of what is asara. Dharile sara nama tujhe. In this whole asara thing, in this whole asara word, what is sara? Tujhe nama dharile, and which is sara. I am now holding on to your name. Lord, your divine name I am holding on to. Now you say sara asara viveka, he is telling. Deha is asara and nama is sara. I will tell you something new. Morning itching problem is there. One is sara, another is sara of that sara. Sara of that sara. Another is asara, and in that asara of asara. I don't know whether you understand or not. Example, you will understand. Curd is there, curd. When you churn that curd, two things will come out. One is taka, we say buttermilk, and another is milk, another is butter. So what is sara? Butter is sara, essence, and buttermilk is asara. Okay, buttermilk is asa, though it helps your body, but now we are talking sara asara. Butter is sara and that tak or buttermilk is asara. When you churn that butter, then something will come. What is that? Clarified butter, ghee we say. That is sara of sara. Getting it? Ghee means sara of sara. Like, and what is asara? When you keep that buttermilk for 2-3 minutes, then whatever asara in that buttermilk, it will float up, it will surface, and that little bit substance will go down. So that surfacing thing is called asara of asara. Now you come to Siddhanta. This whole world is asara. And what is asara of this asara? In this world, naraka is there. That naraka is asara of asara. Now what is sara? In this whole world, Paramatma is sara. What is sara of sara? What is essence of essence? What is essence of Paramatma? That is his name. You see, when I say also I feel goosebumps. It is sara. Lord's name is sara of sara. Paramatma is sara, no doubt, like butter. But what is clarified butter? His name is clarified butter. That I have hold on to and I have given up. Deha, which is nashivanta, it is going to perish. That I have given up. Next, last stanza, and we will finish. Keli aranuk sakala hati. Keli aranuk sakala hati. Dara vete darile chite. Darave te darile chite. Tuka mane सांगतले संते. तुका म्हणे सांगतले संती देयंती ठाव मज देवा देयंती ठाव मज देवा येथे राया रंका एके सरी येथे राया रंका एके सरी नाही भिन्न भिन्न तुमचे घरी नाही भिन्न भिन्न तुमचे घरी पावलो पाय बल त्या परी पावलो पाय बल त्या परी मग बाहेरी न घालावे मग बाहेरी न घालावे येथे राया रंका एके सरी येथे राया रंका एके सरी. Now whatever I have understood, I have make understood other people. केली आरानुक सकळा आती. I have decided I will now follow Avinash Parapada, and I have told everybody, I have consolidated everybody that I have consoled everybody that this is the best path, and now nobody will bother me. Why are you doing this? Why are you going there? Nobody will say that. Keli aranuka sakala hati. Aranuka means I did their satisfaction. This is the right path. How this is the best path? I have make them understood. This is the best path. Now they will not interfere my journey. Keli aranuka sakala hati. Samadhana. I did samadhanam of all people. In this world, there are some families that person likes to do spiritual practices, but family will not allow. It is a very critical situation. Tukaram Maharaj also had the same thing. His wife was a little bit, this is my mother only, but when it comes to saying, he was not allowing Tukaram Maharaj to do sadhana. He said, what is there in this black stone? Why are you after this black person? And he will tell all, different things about God. Tukaram Maharaj said, now I have told everybody and nobody will bother me now. Dharave te dharile chitti. What I am supposed to hold on in my heart, now I am holding on to that. Dharave, what I am supposed to. Dharile, I am holding on to that. Chitti, in my heart. What I am holding on to? Your name, O Lord. Dharave te dharile chitti. Tuka mane sangitale santi. And whatever I am holding on to, have I taken that decision on my own? Sangitale santi. Santa Mahatma told me, you should have Lord and His name in your heart all the time. That is why I am holding on to your name. I am not going by my opinion. This is another thing. Public opinion we should not follow, and whatever our impulses are there, inner instinct, that also we should not follow. Whatever Santa Mahatma says, I am with you. This is the good approach which will end up in your ultimate well-being. And now last prayer. Dei anti thava maz deva. Thava means you give me ashraya. When anti, when I drop this body to this jiva, you give me shelter. You give me recourse in you. Dei anti thava. Ashraya. You give me thava when I leave this mortal coil. And in your house, there is no bheda. King and beggar, they get equal treatment. Don't forget, O Lord. This is how he is telling, with full right. Yes, God, this, that. And he is telling that. This is Sakhya Bhakti also. Where you don't consider that God, oh, he is God. How can I say this? No, he is God means Jiva and Ishvara, they are in one plane. This is Vedanta. In one let it be. Bhakti is good. Jiva and Ishwar. If Jiva is there, then Ishwara. If Jivatva is there, then world. If no Jivatva, then no world, no God. In Vedanta, this little bit high thinking is also there. Jiva and Ishvara, they are in transactional plane. And in absolute plane, there is only infinite Brahma. And that I am. Beautiful Abhanga. I don't know what is Punya Papa. I am Patita. Now you take care of me. You give me recourse in your Swarupa when I drop this mortal body. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Pundalika Varada Shri Hari Vitthal Shri Jnanadeva Tukaram. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु स्वामी चिन्मयानंद महाराज की जय. रामकृष्ण हरि एवरीबॉडी.